Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 doesn't even last 5 minutes, you're not alone. This common issue is often due to a faulty battery that has lost its capacity over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to more extensive problems, making your vacuum cleaner practically useless. Addressing this issue promptly will restore your device's performance and longevity. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. To begin, ensure your Dyson SV10 is turned off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back of the device, taking care to keep them safe. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back cover off using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, you'll see the battery compartment. The battery is typically held in place by a couple of screws, which you can remove with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to note the position of the wires connected to the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling on the connector, using your tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once the faulty battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it in the same way the old one was attached. Make sure the connection is secure before replacing the screws to hold the battery in place. As you reassemble the device, take care to align the back cover properly, ensuring that all clips are engaged and that no wires are pinched during the process. When you've secured the back cover with the screws, double-check that everything is in order. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly charge your Dyson SV10 fully and avoid leaving it on the charger for extended periods. This will help maintain the battery's health and prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.